Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. So today I'm going to be teaching giving our lectures on how to host a website or how to upload a website to a server. Now, uploading a website to a server is a very easy process, a very minimalistic stressful process, if I should use that word. So the first off is to purchase a domain name. I've done that already, though in one of my tutorial videos I'll still teach or lecture on how to get a domain name, things that are involved. So now I'm using Hostinger for hosting my website. As you can see, I have 8 websites already on it. So now I'll be creating a new website. So I'm on my Hostinger panel. Another panel, it's called C panel, but in Hostinger it's called H panel. Now, the first thing first is to, when on your dashboard, on your home, as you can see I'm on the home page, and you go to websites. Sure. Now, when you go to websites, you go to add a website. This is after you might have purchased a domain name. Now, you can either choose a WordPress website to host your WordPress website. Then Hostinger website builder, for it's similar to Dreamweaver. For those of you that know about Adobe Dreamweaver, just drag and drop and your website will be built. Very stressless and easy. And then the next one is MT/HTML website. This is when you want to upload your own website that you have created, either locally or with any other means. Then migrate website. This is pulling up the website from another server into Hostinger, or from another Hostinger account to your own. So we'll go with MT/HTML website. As you can see, upload your code or install other application. So we'll click on it. We'll allow it to load. Then it will ask for domain name. Which domain or subdomain would you like to use? Now, I've already purchased this domain name, so I'll be using this domain name. As you can see, it's written owned. So I'll click on it and then next. And notice automatically the progress bar went from under 20% to 75% immediately after I chose the domain name. And I click next and it's completed. So now, yes, now I've created a website. If you check this out, if you look it up, it will land you to the default page of Hostinger, Hostinger's default page. Excellent. Now, how do you now upload your HTML or PHP script? And when you come back to the dashboard, go to File Manager and allow it to load. Give it time. Then after it's done loading, it will open up the File Manager for you. And you can access this File Manager with other softwares through SSH access or FTP or SFTP, whichever method you want to make use of. But I'll be using the Hostinger's File Manager. So look at the public HTML. Now this is the default page that was displaying when I looked it up after I created the website. So you just delete this file. Then this is upload, this is download, and this upload is the next button you have to click to upload your website or your code. Now it could either be a folder or a file. Personally, I prefer file. Just zip it up and upload. It's faster. If you choose folder, it may take longer process to upload. So use file, then locate where your website or your script is. And for me, I'll be uploading this. So now, okay, I won't pause the video, I'll allow it to upload completely. Yes. So while it's uploading, you can be doing any other thing, but it's just advisable that to allow it to, all you need to do is have a stable internet connection, and voila, the rest will be done. It will upload on its own without troubles. So as you can see down here, I'm on 0.75 MB per second. So it will give you the ETA. It's counting down. I have 90 minutes remaining, seconds, then 15 seconds remaining, 14, till it's fully uploaded. Now this is the progress, circling, and then this is the progress bar. Once it's done uploading, you'll see it. And now I have my script. Now what's the next step? Hostinga doesn't really extract raw files, you understand? So you have to use another software to connect to Hostinga, and that will be in our next video. Thank you.